In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Microsoft Outlook app. So if you have been experiencing any problem with your app, maybe the app can't open, or it is too slow, or each and every time it opens, it crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix your app. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods. In the first method, we are going to access the app information page. And to do this, just go to settings. Then from this, scroll down until you see the option called apps. From here, look for the option called manage apps. On your smartphone, it might be written all apps. Tap on it. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this list, scroll down until you find your app. And once you find it, go ahead and tap on it to open, and we are on the app information page. However, if you can't access this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back to your app, and from your app, just long press on it and look for this option, app info, and this will take you again to the app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data and more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data here. When we talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To clear them, go ahead and tap on clear, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. And now our cache data has been cleared. Now restart your smartphone and then open this app, and this should have solved your problem. However, should this not solve your problem, then you might want again to come back here on app info page, and this time around, go ahead and tap on clear all data and OK, and this should now solve your problem. Go ahead and log in afresh, and now everything should be okay. However, should this not solve your problem, then head to the third and the last method, and that is to look for any update for your app. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of your app that needs to be updated to the latest version to fix any bugs or security issues. To do that, just go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I've gone to Google Play Store, searched for my app, and then look for any update if it is available. Go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and install the latest version of Microsoft Outlook app. From here, proceed and now tap on open to start using the latest version of Microsoft Outlook. So let me know which of these 3 methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.